Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to repair corrupt Access database using this Stellar Repair for Access program. So guys, I will recommend you if you want to fix and repair corrupt Access database. So this program is very useful. I will give link in description so you can check out review for this program, and we can see there is the two plan $99 per year professional and second one technician. So download and install this program. Once you download, to repair your file, just in the home tab select it and click on select database. Click on browse and select your corrupt Access database. Also you can find it. Now here just click on repair. Now wait till this process will be complete. So I will pause and I will show you how it's going on. So guys, as we can see, selected MS Access database repair successfully. Just click on OK. And here you can check out tables, forms, and reports. And last step you have to do, click on Save Database and select your desired location in your PC or laptop. And guys, if you have any problems, so you can get the help by support team, and there are some articles you can read it to resolve some common error. You can buy online, and in the interface you can show or hide status bar, deleted records by clicking on this box. So check out this description link and download and install this program. Thanks for watching guys. If you're facing any problems, so comment, I will reply it.